Moving on, there's need to protect teenagers from drug abuse, early pregnancies and menstrual poverty. This is according to Slum Child Foundation, an NGO that works with children and youth in the slums and streets of Nairobi, Kenya, on different thematic areas caused as a result of high rates of poverty in the slums. The organization visited Korogosho slums in Nairobi on Saturday, where they discussed ways of curbing the vices.
Tumeleta hii initiative hapa Korokocho kwa sababu sisi tumelelewa hapa, tumezaliwa hapa, tumeona hizi changamoto. So tunajaribu our level best to ensure that ile generation ina come isijipate kwa exposure mambo ya drugs, mambo ya teenage pregnancy, tukuwe na position ya empower waweze kuwa better leaders, not only for today but even the future generation.
Jana wambia sahi like avoid kukua idol. Unajua ukiwa idol unajiingiza kwa mambo mob sana, mambo ya kusaidia, keep yourself busy. Ka uko home, tafuta kitu cha kufanya, unaweza join dance, unaweza kucheza ball.
Kama inawezekana serikali tuletee rehabilitation center moja hapa Korogosho na walete youth vocational training center hapa Korogosho ili wale wa jamaa ambao wamerehab before wakuwe integrated back to school wapitie pale training zingine, because sio tu maisha ya kusoma, maisha pia ukisoma na una skills, hauna talent, hauna knowledge yote hapo pale nje haitakusaidia.
Talking of gender equality, and especially we are angling it towards empowering women and girls, is because when we talk about drug abuse, when we talk about poverty, when we talk about insecurity, women and girls tend to be impacted more compared to boys, and so we are giving a chance to women to be able to make decisions.
Now, Kericho County Forest Conservator John Chepkoni Kidogo has announced the commencement of a government-mandated 6-month ban on all